Hey there, welcome to Digital YouTube channel. If you are into SaaS products, online money making, internet marketing, and technology, then consider hitting that subscribe button because you are at the right place. Today we are diving into an incredible LinkedIn Sales Navigator scrapper called Scrupp. With Scrupp, you can effortlessly extract LinkedIn profile data as well as their email IDs, which are already verified for you by the software. Now they are lightning fast and user friendly. Plus they are offering you 1000 free credits for you to get started with their software. And as an add-on from my side, I am offering 2 months of LinkedIn Sales Navigator to the first 9 people to comment down below. I will reach out to you personally. Now enough of talking, let's go to the laptop screen and see Scrupp in action. So once you visit scrupp.com, this is how the interface will look like. To get started, you require 2 things. One is Chrome browser because you will be working with Chrome extension. Another thing you require is subscription to LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So once you have both of these things, you are ready to get started. As I already told you, right, you get some 1000 credits free. So you can use them to scrap data as well as find email IDs, right? Now, once that is done, let me show you the pricing. So talking about the pricing, there are divided into 2 types of pricing: extraction plus emails and extractions only. So what is that? So if you want to find only profile data and you do not require the email IDs, then you can use only extractions. But if you require their email IDs, then you can go for extraction plus emails. So the plan, you can see, the plan starts from $29, where you get 5,000 profile data and 2,000 email IDs, right? And as the plan increases, you get more data, right? Now talking about buy a piece. Now, if you do not have a regular requirement of scraping data or finding email IDs, if you might require just one-time data you require, or one-time email IDs you require, then buy a piece is a great option. Now again, you can decide based on if you want their email IDs or you just want the profile and company data, right? Let me show you how the data looks like. You can see on my screen, this is how the data will look like. You will get the person's first name, last name, their LinkedIn profile. You will get their work email if you want to. You will see their social media profile. You will see their company details, what type of industry their company is, how much funding there is, and all those details you can get, right? So this is how the output file will look like. Now to get started, you need to first sign up, right? Now sign up does provide you 3 options to get started. You can use your Google account, or you can use LinkedIn, or you can just use your normal email ID to sign up. Now let me get into my account and show you how the main user interface looks like. So once you sign into your account, this is how the user interface will look like. You can see it's very simple by them. This is the main page of the tool. You do not require to go to any other page to get your work done. So from here, on the left-hand side, you can see all the data that I have scrapped previously. On the right-hand side, you can see that I just have to click on the extract contacts from Sales Navigator. So it will redirect me to my Sales Navigator account. And if you haven't downloaded this Chrome extension, make sure you download it, right? So to get started, all you have to do is click on extract contacts from Sales Navigator. Once you click on this, you can see that it will redirect you to the Sales Navigator account. Now from here, all I have to do is apply some filters that I want. I can narrow down my audience basically. So let me see. Suppose I want people from suppose I want people from Asia, and I want they should be having at least they should be from the industry. Suppose they should be from the banking industry. So there are like 15 plus filters available. So this is not a LinkedIn Sales Navigator demo, right? I assume that you already know what LinkedIn Sales Navigator is and how it works, right? So you apply the filters, and once you are ready, you just have to click on this Scrupp export. Now, if you don't see this option, that means you have not installed Chrome extension. So make sure you install it. So I just want to extract all these profile data, right, based on the filters that I have applied. So I'm just going to click on Scrupp export. So now from here, you need to give a name to your list, by the way. So suppose I'm finding Asia leads. So I'm just giving a list. So this is going to be the name of the output that the Scrupp is going to scrap for you, right? So how much data you want to scrap? You can scrap up to 2,500 data, but this is just for the demonstration. So I'm just going to scrap 5 profiles. From which page you want to start? So you see this. So there are different pages available in LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Let me show you. So as you can see, so there are like different page numbers available. So if you want to scrap from 5th page, so all you have to do is go here and type in 5 number. So the bot will start snapping from 5th profile, right? So once that is done, you can check mark this option. Like if you want profile data as well as their email IDs, you can check mark this. And if you want the file to be into CSV file format, you can click on this. So I'm just going to click on run export. As you can see, the export has started, right? So let me get back to you once the export, once the file is done. So as you can see that we were able to scrap 6 of our data and 1 email was found from the keyword profiles. Now, the bot may not be able to find all email IDs of the profile, but whatever the email IDs are found by the bot are 100% verified and are safe to set in your email campaign, right? Now you can just view the data. You can click on this 3 dots and click on view list to see what type of data is scrapped. You can see we got 1 email ID of this person and other profile is already scrapped. So you can just go back. Let me go back to my sheet. From here, you can click on enrichment, but during the first process only we check mark that, right? So you do not need to repeat this step again, right? So all you have to do is click on this 3 dot and export the file in the CSV or XLSV, XLXX format, right? So I'm just going to export CSV file. So from here, basically you can choose which column data that you require, right? You may not require the person's education details or positions details. So you can just remove all these details that you want in your final output, right? If you want profile only with their emails, so you can just check mark this, but I'm just going to scrap all this data. I'll just click on start export. So I'll get an email once the export is ready. So as you can see, the export is already ready. So I'm just going to click on this. So let me show you how the file looks like now. You can see all the data that we got from the profile that we searched on our LinkedIn Sales Navigator. We also got email ID, right? And all of this data, you can just export into a Google Sheet, Microsoft Excel. You can export this into a CRM. And yeah, so that was all about this tool, right? So it's a very simple and straightforward tool, basically. You need a LinkedIn Sales Navigator Chrome extension, and that's it. You can get started. That's it. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. The first 9 people to comment will get an invitation for 2 months of free LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So hurry up. As well as if you have any queries regarding the tool, make sure let me know that. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.